Okay folks, this is what you're going to need if you're going to be installing these 194 long life bulbs. Right, on the Kia Optima. I just happen to have one of these because I do car audio installation. So this is a pry tool, but if you'll notice, this pry tool is rather long. It's a little over 1.5 inches, maybe 1.25 inches. The tongs here, whatever you want to call them, tines, those are not important. Realistically, what you want to get at is some clips. I'll show you them as soon as I get in there. Another thing you want to be very mindful of is that the polarity matters. Right, on a regular incandescent bulb, the polarity doesn't matter. But these, one of those is positive and one of those is negative. For the purposes of this video, I covered my license plate with aluminum foil. Now what I want you to notice is that when I pop this in, if you don't catch the clip in the back, and the clip is kind of up there, it's not going to come off. So you don't just want to pry this off, because there is actually a clip. It's pretty deep in there. There's a clip on both sides. Honestly, you can try whichever one's easiest for you. I think the popping noise is my tool here. There it is. So if you can see what we have here, the clip is a little high. I think when I was going in underneath it. You see how it would have been popping? So I had to go up here to actually catch it. Right? That was the most difficult part. And like I said, you can go in on either side because both sides have the clip. Just make sure that you go in high enough to where you catch that and not just slip right up underneath it. Right? Because then that's going to defeat the purpose. I don't see any identifiable marks that tell me which side's positive or negative, and there isn't any on the car side either. So I went and turned on the lights there. It didn't work. So if I pop that off. Alright. Looks like that thing is up at the very top. All that clicking you're hearing. There we go. All that clicking you were hearing was the metal. Jeez, that was by far the hardest one I've ever had to do. And there you have it, folks. That's all it takes. I'm starting to wish I would have taken a before and after, but if you can see, that's definitely white.